Hello, I am Milanova. Today I would like to talk about transposition and its use in the Milanov method. The transposition has a very special place in our method because it helps us demonstrate and eventually explain the student the use of sharps and flats in the rhythm music. And also, most importantly, the transposition gives us a possibility to explore the fingerboard completely, using the same song they are already familiar with, just like this. The use of different fingerings for transposition is very helpful in order to break any limitations on the fingerboard. The songs are played in all keys and all strings and positions. The traditional school uses only 2 or maximum 3 keys in order to teach beginner violinists. That produces an artificial obstacle for the student in his exploration of the fingerboard. The better the previous key has been learned, the more difficult it is to get out of it. That's why we get these hard times trying to teach a student to play, for example, a B flat. Here is one example of transposition using different fingers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like our page in Facebook Method Milanov. I am Milanova and I hope to see you again soon.